Today we're going to look at the Altama Maritime 8-inch boot. Let's get started. So I just got my Altama Maritime 8-inch boots in the mail, so I figured I'd do a quick unboxing video and let's take a look. So first impressions, looks really nice. I'm gonna compare these. So this is the 8-inch. This is the mid-level boot, and then we have the short. So it looks identical except for a little bit taller shaft. Thickness feels the same. The laces are a little bit different compared to the shorter versions of this boot. The rubber feels about the same. Stitching looks really good all the way around. No quality concern issues that I have just yet. See what the insole looks like in this boot. All right, so I've unlaced the boot, pulled out the stuffing, and here is the insole. Same insole that you get in the other models of this boot. That non-water absorbing insole. Feels really good. I'm excited to try them out. I'll do an update once I put some miles on these, but so far, very impressed. Just a quick look at the difference between the low-cut boot and the 8-inch boot. They look very similar when your pants are not tucked in. A little bit wider gap here in the lacing. Maybe it's just the last they used, but the fit feels identical. One thing that I'm not terribly big on is that the tongue in these boots is not fully gusseted. So will that keep debris out? I mean, probably. May not be a big deal, but I do like my boots to have a fully gusseted tongue. For example, these are the Altama Jungle PX Pros, and so it has that fully gusseted tongue. So just another thought there. Again, wearing it feels great. Will that be an issue? Probably not. I mean, for what they're designed for, it kind of makes sense. But if you're using this hiking or you're looking to keep debris out of your boot, it may or may not work for you. So just something to keep in mind. Thinking about these boots from a modder perspective, one thing I might do in time is I might add maybe some molly webbing here to this nylon in case you wanted to attach a knife if you're diving, or if you're using this on the water. You might want quick access to a small knife. It'd be cool to have some molly webbing here. So I might do that later and see how that works. Because it's nylon, you can easily add it and then remove it without doing any permanent changes to the boot. So that's another, just the thought as I will try these out and thinking about the ways I might mod them. But there we go, the Altama 8-inch Maritime boot. So far, they look really good.